This one was just a simple fix. I don't know if you could see, I twisted up one of my paper towels here and I put it into the holes and twisted it to see if I could get anything that might be clogged in there. And I actually pulled out what I suspect is some cat hair and some gunk. If it's really bad, you can completely unscrew this part and these parts and just spray it some starter fluid or some carbon choke cleaner. So I'm going to put my parts back together, get it on there, screw it back up to show you what it looks like once it's all put together. Okay, so I have it back together here. What you want to make sure is that this is on correctly, and then I'll turn back and forth. That way you can turn your fuel tank on and off. Now, what I suggest for those who are doing this for the first time or the first couple times, you want to take picture or video as you take it apart so that you can see just how you need to do it, because sometimes when it's a lot of pieces it can be distracting, especially for myself, because I am no expert. I'm just one of those people that kind of learn as I do it. So I hope this helped everybody. Sorry if my voice is a little yucky, I'm sick. And if you have any questions, ask in the comments and I'll try to answer as best as I can. Thanks, guys.